Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise on a 9-inch screen protector. Yes, screen protector for my NX, so I don't want to mess up my touch screen and make it all messy and a lot of fingerprints. So this one's from Innosure and it's HD clear high clarity. So the advertisement is 14-inch touchscreen, wheel glass, accurate size, 9H hardness, and bubble free, fingerprint resistance, scratch resistance, touch sensitive, and shatterproof, and a lot of other stuff as well too. And they sell one that's actually glossy like this one and one that's matte finish. So I'm just gonna skim over this over here, and you could probably glance over the installation instructions. Really easy to do. All right, and I have to say that you have to clean the surface pretty much and see if it fits before you apply it. So that's the thing that you want to do first. Even though it has all these amenities, how to use it and clean it, and a screen protrusion with the bezel, it's gonna be pretty good because I just tried it. That's why I'm making this video, and it's pretty cheap actually, pretty inexpensive is the right word. It's about $22. I mean, I didn't buy it on sale or that, but it is on Amazon for those folks interested in getting one of these. And yes, so what comes inside? So you got this toolkit, basically is the alcohol wipe, the wipes and such. I don't know why they include these little bubble things. I guess supposed to make it easier to install with holding it. I didn't end up using the little bubble thing, which probably should have, I guess, but that was included with the unit. So that's right here. So what I like to do with some of these stuff is do an overlay first. So overlay means you put it on top. That's right now. I have a screen protector from the factory still on. I'm gonna take that out and put this over here, and notice it fits really well. So I went ahead and installed it. All right, notice that this is how it was the clarity, and it doesn't really impede on the clarity much at all. It does give you a little purple hue to it. How you see that? I just want to show that in the darker area you can see there's a purple hue on the screen after installing it. It doesn't really bother me, just I wanted to point that out. The screen will have this purple hue, I guess, and this is 9H hardness 14-inch screen I have, tempered glass. Clarity they claim is 99.99. So you see the purple hue a little bit as well, and I'm inside the garage right now. And I'm gonna pull the vehicle out, and you probably can see better. And fit and finish is probably like a 9 out of 10. I mean, I don't think you get any better. Yes, they have this cleaning cloth here. You could keep that to clean the inside, or you just clean the glass, the touch screen protector over time. And depending on which angle you look at it, it looks like around the knob is pretty good. Yes, you had this little cutout. Of course, it's not going to be inside. So I don't know if that bothers you or not. If it is, don't get it. If it doesn't, it might be a great product for you. And fit and finish is definitely a 9 out of 10 as well too. Quality is at 9 out of 10 as well too. I didn't notice any slipping yet, so I've been driving with it a little bit as well. And this is a photo again about the product. So hopefully you like this video surprise of the day. I really appreciate a thumbs up, comment, or share. Please leave it below. Yes, this one's for the NX. All right, so please subscribe. See you next time. Have a good one. Bye.